Hey guys, this is Marina and you're watching the weekly forecast for the week between the 26th of June and the 2nd of July. And the week is very interesting because we have a very interesting aspect configuration. It's called a Tao-square, and we are going to discuss what it means and what are we supposed to do. First of all, just to mention that during the week we still have a dominant water element. You see here we have the Sun, Mercury, Mars and Neptune in water signs. So water is related with our emotions, with our feelings, with intuition, creativity. So probably this is going to be something like our main motivation. Whatever it is that you want to do, just follow your intuition. Try to be more empathic with others. Try to help others, to support other people. In some cases, we might be over emotional, sometimes oversensitive. So, just be aware of that. And also what we can see is that we have a dominant cardinal modality. Here we can find, so basically there are 6 planets in cardinal signs during the whole week, and even at the end of the week they become 7. So here on Friday, Saturday and Sunday there are 7. So the dominant cardinal modality suggests that this is a time of taking action. The cardinal modality is the modality related with our willpower. So if you want to start something, the cardinal signs are the initiators. They put the beginning of something. Sometimes they may not finish what they have started. We still, we can't know if this is going to be something long-lasting, but the cardinal signs are great for starting new initiatives. So that's what the week is very beneficial for. And basically the Tau-square that I mentioned is actually in cardinal signs. We have here the Sun, Mercury and Mars in Cancer, Pluto is in opposition, and Jupiter makes square with all of these planets. So this is a cardinal Tau-square. And we know that the Tau-square is related with some kind of tension. It's related, with some kind of difficulties that we need to overcome, some kind of obstacles. At the same time, the fact that this configuration is close, so all of these planets are connected with each other, suggests that the energy is flowing easier. And it allows us actually to achieve something visible, to have some kind of material results. That's why there might be some kind of challenges and difficulties for us, some tension, but at the same time we can use this productive energy to change something, to put some efforts in something, because it allows us to be more focused, to be stronger, to have the capacity to overcome these challenges and difficulties. So taking initiatives, following your intuition, and listening to your heart also can be very important during the week. We are going to have exact conjunction between Mercury and Mars, and actually this is on Wednesday. On Wednesday is the exact conjunction, but we can feel definitely the influence during the whole week. And this can bring a lot of activeness in the area of communication, of contacting with other people. At the same time, Mars, we know, is the planet related with, aggression, with anger. So it's possible that we might be too impulsive in our communication with others. So we should be careful how we communicate, how we express our thoughts, our ideas, because sometimes, we might hurt someone even without realizing that. At the same time, Mars in conjunction with Mercury can allow us to say something, to speak the truth, to say what you think, to be very direct with others in expressing your ideas or emotions, of course, because the sign Cancer is a very emotional sign. So, there can be a lot of activeness here, but I repeat again that there is possible to be some kind of aggression, because Pluto at the same time makes opposition with Mercury and Mars, and this is can be a very impulsive and combination that brings a lot of tension. So some conflicts are very possible, and we may feel like we have to struggle with something, we have to fight for something, we have to defend our position. The exact opposition between Mercury and Pluto is on Thursday, Friday, but again we can feel it during the whole week because the orbit is very small. This aspect also can be related with some kind people can be more suspicious. Mercury Pluto in opposition can give this. People can be more suspicious, they may not trust others, they may hesitate, but they may feel like somebody else is trying to control them, or somebody else is trying to tell them what to do, and they can be very sensitive about this. So you have to be careful how you approach others, and how you express your ideas, how you communicate with other people. So yeah, the Cardinal Tao-square is going to be really the most important configuration during the week. Now let's say a few words about the moon. So here we start on Monday with the moon in Leo, and on Tuesday the moon is in Leo as well. And this is a very positive combination because Leo is the sign of entertainment, related with emotions, expressing your emotions, actually being very open to others. At the same time, it brings a lot of optimism, courage, confidence. So Monday and Tuesday should be very positive days. After that, on Wednesday and Thursday, we have the moon in Virgo, and this position is very good to do something practical, to do to take care of some small things which require a lot of patience and detail-oriented approach. So if you have to really concentrate it to put some kind of order, to organize something for all kind of work projects, or some kind of activities, business activities, the moon in Virgo is very good. So this is on Wednesday and Thursday. And here actually on Thursday we have a grand trine in the earth sign. So Venus in Taurus makes trine with Pluto in Capricorn, and the moon makes trine with both Venus and Pluto. So this is a great combination for doing something practical, something related with your work, something that will have a real measurable result. And after that, on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, we have the moon in Libra. And usually we know that Libra is a very positive sign as well, because this is related with love, with communication, close communication, especially relationships. But here there can be some kind of tension in these specific areas, because we already said that we have this Tau-square, and this is the apex. So the position where we have the two squares, this is the most important position in the Tau-square. This is the tension, where the tension goes. So it's possible that there might be some kind of difficulties in our relationships. We have to be careful how we communicate, because you see here, while the moon is in Libra, of course it will make this positive conjunction with Jupiter, but at the same time it will make the square with Mars and the square with Pluto. So it activates even more the Tau-square. And definitely there can be some kind of challenges. So as we said, these challenges can lead to something positive and productive, but we just have to be aware of that. So in general, take some kind of actions during this week. Do something concrete, take some initiatives, use your willpower to do that. And of course, listen to your emotions and intuition, because the dominant water element is great for that. And I think that these were basically the most important indications. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.